In this video, I am going to show you how to make a microwavable heating pad. Some things that you will need are some fabric, some scissors, and to fill the inside, I am using feed corn. You can also use plain white rice, but I prefer using the feed corn. It retains the heat a lot more. A roller, marker, pencil, some thread and needles, and a sewing machine. So here are some different sizes that I make. I'm just going to use this Family Guy fabric that I had left over. It's about 11 inches by 6.5 inches. First, you're going to want to cut your material to however big you want your heating pad to be. Then you're going to want to face your fabric right sides together. So now we're going to want to sew all the way around, leaving a bit of an opening. So I'm just going to take this to my sewing machine and sew it. Whenever I sew the corners, I just leave the needle down and lift up the foot and turn my material. So after you've sewed all the sides, this is what it should look like with a little opening so you can put your filling in. Now I'm just going to turn it right side out and fill it with my corn. This was kind of a big heating pad, so I used about 1 pound of feed corn and I filled it about 3/4 of the way. So once you have filled your heating pad, you're just going to want to sew the opening with some needle and thread. After you're done sewing, this is what it should look like. And then I'll just pop it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes depending on how big the heating pad is. My kids love these. They both have one and they use them for their leg ache. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.